How do the following words go together? Blizzard, thunderstorm, hail. All of these words are related to weather. Try to come up with more words that have to do with kinds of weather. Think about the different seasons and what kinds of weather we might have in each season: spring, summer, fall, and winter. I'm going to say a word, then we'll take away the last sound to make a new word. Let's try one. The word is sticky. What is the last sound? E. What word do you get if you take the E sound away? Stick. So sticky minus the E sound equals stick. Let's do some more. Cart minus T. Band minus D. Funny minus E. Light minus T. Make minus K. Say the sounds in the word cart with me. K, R, T. What is the last sound in cart? T. If we take away T, we have K, R, car. Listen, pies. Now listen, pie. I took away the last sound, Z, and the new word is pie. Let's do some more. Take away the last sound in these words. Dries, skies, tried, cry. Remember that the letters I-G-H in the middle of a word or at the end of a word can stand for the long I sound. Also remember that Y at the end of the word can stand for a long I sound. Pause the video as needed and read lines 1 through 7. Pause the video as needed and read today's decodable reader, Ty and Big Gilly. Rewatch our anchor text in video 1 and think about the characters, the people, and animals in a story. The setting, when and where a story takes place. The plot, the important events in a story. And think about the genre, which was fantasy, a type of fiction story that cannot happen in real life. For ease of access, I've also posted the anchor text at the end of this video. After reading the anchor text again, analyze the text. Story structure. Characters are the people and animals in a story. The setting is when and where a story takes place. Where do Frog and Toad try to fly their kite? Is it day or night? The plot is the important events. Think about Frog and Toad's problem. How do they solve it? Use a story map to list the parts of the story. The genre is fantasy. Think about the people in What Can You Do from Lesson 27. How are they different from the characters in The Kite? The Kite is a fantasy. The story events could not happen in real life. In this story, Frog and Toad talk to each other and do things that people would do. How would a real frog or toad act? Now it's your turn. Remember, our essential question this week is, how can weather change your day? How does the weather change Frog and Toad's day? How is the setting important to what happens? Describe the setting using text evidence, such as words and pictures. Talk about these questions with someone at home. How do the robins act toward Frog and Toad? What do Frog and Toad do to try to get the kite to fly? What really makes the kite fly? Respond. Write sentences to describe how Frog and Toad are alike and how they are different. Use words and pictures from the story for ideas.